Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how to upload an Excel file and build a truck load after being palletized. If you create a new truck load, you just move to a setup view. At the first step, you have a default truck which is 53 feet intermodal. So if you would like to change, press the edit button. And then at the step 2, you have to build a list of cargoes. Just go to the add and Excel template file. So I'm going to use this Excel file, which looks like this. It has 13 different items with different sizes and weight, and it has different quantity. Additionally, I would like to define the palletizing parameters. At the first time, you have to input number 1 to the palletized column, which tells this item will be palletized. And then you have to tell the length of pallet, width of pallet, and the thickness. And then you have to tell the maximum pallet height, which including the pallet thickness. And then you have to tell the weight and max weight and color. If you would like to put the random color, just enter the number 0. And then pallet fill pattern will have different values, but I would like to use number 9, which tells the best fit fill pattern. And then I would like to put some pallet type. If you go to the column description, you may see there are several values, but I would like to use the 0. And then I don't want to put overhang on the palletizing. No underhang. And just save it and go back to the CubeMaster and choose your file, your Excel file, and just test it. And then 13 records have been brought, which is good, and pressing OK button. Now we have your Excel file in CubeMaster, so which looks fine. So if you want to change it, just press the button. So finally, I will activate the palletizing options on. So you have some chance to change some values. So we want to check the palletizing is good. So you may see every information has been brought your Excel file. This is good. This is good. This is good too. Now I'm going to calculate by pressing this button. And then some progress windows up. After that, we got a solution, which is 3 trucks has been filled. So if you click the solution list, you are going to see the detailed information at the right window, which shows 3 graphics and some more additional graphics.